Did you see the size of that?
Yeah.
We're going to Fantasyland because the kid wants a sweet treat.
I want a princess ice cream cone. I want to feel like a princess.
Why is there a trash can with bubbles? She is fighting with them bubbles. She is struggling. There's a missing child. Christine, where you at? Christine, I was taking a Blue D photo. Oh, you're gonna give us a tour?
The art stories told in mosaic.
Nice.
On that door, you'll see patriarchy at its finest.
Oh.
Over there, for a grand sum of $127.
You can meet Cinderella?
Meet Cinderella herself.
We're gonna do an spontaneous thing and try to write this. Let's see how long it is.
So we have 17 minutes until the parade starts. So we're gonna try to ride upon a mansion and then get back to our spot before the parade starts. Your mom's gonna be really mad we're riding this without her.
I don't think she's gonna care. She's tired.
Of course, there's always my way.
Me and Christine are booking it to Tiana. Let's go, bitch.
Let's go.
Let's go. Run, bitch.
I'm running.
We did that. Never lose sight of what's really important.
The Bayou's got just what we need.
Can't play, but we've got to keep searching hard.
Oh, girlie. The star when we look inside.